What's up, guys? This is FO Studio How to 808. This is a basic 808 tutorial, and just to prove that you can pretty much 808 anything, I just pulled out like a random melody. So we're in Appreciation Kit 6. You can just download this for free on the internet. Just type in Appreciation Kit 6 on Google. Okay, this melody's a little loud. That's kind of a problem. It's kind of hard to hear. So we just picked a random 808, throw it in there. That's the first step. Just record it like with your keyboard and I choose to try to freestyle with the 808s just to make sure it makes sense. So okay, so this first part sucks. Take that one out. Okay, so we need one in the very beginning. Cool. Okay. Maybe play with the 808 a little bit here. It's not too bad though. I'm just gonna turn that off because I don't know why it sounds so weird all of a sudden. No, we're not gonna do all that. Just ignore that part. So we're just gonna copy the 808. It's really like this easy. Like copy it, paste it in the kick. I ain't even picked a kick yet, so we're gonna pick a kick too. But throwing like a kick that kind of makes sense. Maybe I didn't use the best example. Kind of want something that like goes with it, and then you want to add that variation within the kick. So first step 808, second step kick. So like. Also keep in mind the snare when you're doing this. My nigga. This is kind of hard to do actually. I might need to add the snare in just to make sense of all this. Pick a random snare. Whatever, just works. Alright, let's try to get this part right. And then we might have to go back and like re-record. Start all the way over, all the way turned up. Oh, maybe I'll lift you. See what I'm saying? Sometimes you need a snare just to like make sense of everything. See what I'm saying? That was just weird. It's like I couldn't get it right. mean, thing is, you can record an 808 over a snare, but like, don't do a kick, or else it just sounds terrible. Make it pop, make it drop, yeah. Make it pop, yeah. Make it drop, yeah. See what I'm saying? Like, it's like, trap is all about them eights, famski. All about them eights, man. About to go into Migos mode. Hubba sheesh. Hubba sheesh. Hubba sheesh, sheesh. Hubba doodle dop. Bubbity dibbity dobbity dibbity 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 dop. Mumble rap, yep. Mumble rap, yep. Okay, yeah. I see it. Oh, hey, bang. Oh, slammed, gang. Oh, all over the place. Bang, shang. Oh, man, what a shame. Bang, bang, subscribe to one channel and then subscribe to one channel a second time. Okay, seriously though, has anybody subscribed to one channel twice? Sounds like a trash ass ending to a song. What the heck? Hubba sheesh, hubba mubba doobie dop. Bubbity dibbity bobbity dibbity 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 dop. Mumble rap, yep. Mumble rap, yep. Okay, yeah. I see it. Oh, hey, bang. Oh, slammed, gang. Oh, all over the place. Bang, shang. Oh, man, what a shame. Dang, dang, subscribe to one channel and then subscribe to one channel a second time. Okay, seriously though, has anybody subscribed to one channel twice? That'd be a good time to add in like a hat. Or maybe just like right when I say seriously though, has anybody subscribed to one channel twice? That'd be a lit time to add a hat. This video is pretty much over. I don't even know why you'd still be watching, honestly. Is this why I don't get many subscribers? Because I keep recording freestyles instead of like actually trying to help people? Yep, maybe. I can't rule it out yet. I definitely can't. Okay. Subscribe to one channel twice. Oh man, I dropped my mic. Okay. Twice. I thought that was hot. Okay, seriously though, has anybody subscribed to one channel twice? See what I'm saying? Stuff is like almost too easy. Alright y'all, I'm gonna play it one more time and then that's it for this video. Thanks for subscribing and chilling out with your boy for the night. It's actually like 1:25 a.m. That just shows my dedication to the cause. So if you give me a dislike on this video, that means you dislike me, and that means you're not cool, basically. Hubba sheesh, hubba mubba doobie dop. Bubbity dibbity bobbity dibbity 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 dop. Mumble rap, yep. Mumble rap, yep. Okay, yeah. I see it. Oh, hey, bang. Oh, slammed, gang. Oh, all over the place. Bang, shang. Oh, man, what a shame. Dang, dang, subscribe to one channel and then subscribe to one channel a second time. Okay, seriously though, has anybody subscribed to one channel twice? Oh, that should be over like right there. Shit's over with. It's like a club banger. Yeah, I see it. Oh, hey, bang. Oh, slammed, gang. Oh, all over the place. Bang, shang. Oh, man, what a shame. Dang, dang, subscribe to one channel and then subscribe to one channel a second time. Okay, seriously though, has anybody subscribed to one channel twice?
sheesh, sheesh,
We definitely gotta call this beat Mumble Rap Legend. That's it for this video though, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.